Have you ever had one of these issues where your phone won't stay charged because the cord, there we go, the cord is loose and falls off, it won't stay, and so you go a few days without your phone until you can find some place that sells a new one of these micro USB adapters. Well, what you have here, the problem is on a good one like this one here, let's zoom in here. On a good one, we have, let's see, is this better? I suppose. There's these little tabs. I don't know, can you see the little tabs? So on a good one, the little tabs are sticking out and they help grab and stay in place, kind of lock the cable in place temporarily in your phone. And here is the one that's falling loose. This is a exact same brand cable. Everything about it's exact same. It's just one's brand new and the other one is been used. Do you see the little tabs? So on the right, the tabs are bent out, and on the left, the tabs are sort of worn out and poking down inside of the little slit. There's a little slit right here. So what you do is you take a safety pin, a needle, a tack, and you poke it down in there to try to see if I have anything I can use here to point with. You poke it down. You poke it down in here and gently pry back out the little tabs. So what I'm going to use is a safety pin to do that, and the one I have here, my kids for Father's Day made me this cute little tie tack a few years back, and it is a whole bunch of safety pins. Mom, if you're wondering where the safety pins went, they are right here. Anyways, kind of cute. It says Dad there. They did that. Anyways, so I'm just going to use this part of it here. It's a little awkward with all the little beads on it, but I think the beads are cute. So, okay, so here is the connector, and you just stick it down in here. You don't need a magnifying glass to do this. I just grabbed one to try to help see. See there? Now it's sticking out. See it? And then do this side as well. Start off on the end there and kind of just bend it out. Hopefully I don't slip and stab my finger. And now plug it back into power. Of course you unplug it from the power adapter. See? It's plugged in. That's all you got to do. And it'll last a little while. These eventually will bend back out, or in, I guess, and you'll want to replace it. But this will get you by a little bit longer, and I noticed that one of them's a little, still needs to be bent out a little bit more, so. Okay.